Greetings, fellow explorer of the extraordinary. You have tuned into the sonic ramblings of the glitch botanist, and today we are cultivating a garden of romantic ideas, a collection of quirky Valentine's Day gifts for the year 2025. This morning, as I was carefully pruning my collection of rare luminescent orchids, I began to think about the nature of gifts. They're not just objects, are they? They're vessels of affection, carriers of memories, and sometimes even a little bit of magic. And with Valentine's Day just around the corner, or rather a couple of years around the corner, it's time to start thinking outside the traditional box of chocolates and roses. So let's delve into the world of unique handcrafted gifts, gifts that tell a story, gifts that are as quirky and individual as the relationship they celebrate. Here I have listed some items which are so unique and beautiful you should try them out, especially this Valentine's Day. First, imagine a personalized constellation jar. It's a hand painted jar. Its surface a deep twilight blue, like the night sky itself. Inside, tiny LED lights are meticulously arranged to replicate the exact constellation you and your partner recognize each time you go stargazing. It's not a projection but a tangible representation of those shared moments under the vast starry sky, a gentle reminder of a shared love for the stars. It has been carefully placed, each LED like planting stars in a miniature galaxy. Next, we have the scent of a memory. I've crafted a candle, not just any candle, but one that captures the essence of your partner's favorite coffee. That rich, warm aroma that fills the air every morning now in a candle. So, whenever she lights it, the familiar scent will wrap her in a comforting embrace, just like a warm cup of her favorite brew. I used a special blend of essential oils extracted from the finest coffee beans to create this unique fragrance. Then there are handmade seashell earrings, treasure from the tide, each shell carefully selected from the sands of a secluded beach is transformed into a unique pair of earrings. They carry the whisper of the waves and the warmth of the sun, a tangible piece of the beach you love. I collected these shells myself, feeling the sand between my toes, listening to the ocean's rhythm, each shell a tiny perfect treasure. I carefully drilled tiny holes and attached delicate wires, transforming these natural wonders into wearable art. And finally, the made me think of you miniature handmade scrapbook. A tiny scrapbook filled with moments, memories, and songs that instantly make you think of your partner. Each page is a snapshot of your journey, and each Spotify code a soundtrack of your love. I spent hours crafting this, each page a layer of love, each song a memory brought to life. I used pressed flowers, snippets of poems, and even a tiny map of our favorite spot. These gifts are more than just objects, they are expression of loves, crafted with care and infused with a touch of the glitch botanist's peculiar magic. They are meant to spark conversations, laughter, and maybe even a little bit of wonder. Because in this grand taste of love is the quirky, the personal, and the unexpected that truly shines. So, as you prepare for Valentine's Day 2025, remember that the most meaningful gifts are the ones that comes from the heart, infused with a little bit of your own unique brand of, well, glitchiness. And remember, the best gifts are often the ones that grow from the seeds of shared experiences. Until next time, keep your senses attuned to the extraordinary in the everyday, and remember, love is the ultimate glitch in the system.